In the rush of life and the chaos of the world, our hearts often grow weary and our souls feel heavy. We search for comfort in many places, in the noise, in the crowds, in fleeting moments of joy. But true peace, real peace, cannot be found there. There is only one refuge where the heart truly rests, and that is in the remembrance of Allah. When you whisper His name, Allah softly, it is as if a gentle breeze touches your soul, calming every worry, soothing every pain, no matter how dark the night seems, no matter how lost you feel. His remembrance lights the path and fills your heart with hope. The world may forget you and people may turn away, but Allah's mercy never leaves you, His love never fades. So take a moment, breathe, deeply, deeply. Close your eyes and say, Allah, let that name be the balm for your heart, the light in your darkest times, and the endless source of your peace.